All right, let's get started here. So here's a video I made, and I'm just going to kind of do a quick voiceover for it. So we're talking about congestive heart failure. So the heart is failing, right? Pretty simple. So generally it's going to start on the left side. That's where the left ventricle, it's just going to really start to fail. And what that means is that, you're going to have some weight gain just due simply to the fluid that's starting to back up into your body. Now, once it progresses, the right side does the same thing, but now we're reducing the amount of blood that can reach the lungs, continually causing a backup. All right, so common emergencies are going to be pulmonary edema. So you can see on the right, there's an X-ray with
pulmonary edema is a condition in which an increase in blood pressure or membrane damage pushes fluid out from the blood into the interstitial space and into the alveoli. Only a little fluid passes into the alveoli because the alveolar capillary pressure is normally very low. Cardiac issues can result in increased blood pressure in the alveolar capillaries. As the fluid fills the interstitium and enters the alveoli, it thickens the respiratory membrane that oxygen must diffuse through in order to reach the bloodstream. This can lead to oxygen deficiency, called hypoxia. Acute respiratory distress syndrome, or ARDS, is a condition that occurs when initial edema is made worse by an immune response. The capillary membrane becomes too permeable, allowing proteins, cells, and more fluid to leak out, damaging the alveolar membrane and other tissues. In ARDS, severe alveolar damage and hypoxia can become fatal within 48 hours if untreated.
This is the lung sound we hear, crackles, otherwise known as burp. So this is more of a coarse crackle. And these would be like a fine crackle. And then you can still hear some other lung sounds that you've either already watched or getting ready to watch or you learned about in class.